All right, my loves, Hierophant, bottom of the deck, overall energy. Wow, this is God giving you a blessing, my friends. This is very, very exciting. This could be you dealing with something official. Maybe you had a color within the lines here. This is unlocking DNA into your future and how you can be successful in your life. You do have the Strength card here in your past. This is you overcoming adversity, working through the difficult times. This is you taming the beast and staying strong, right, for your belief system and how you are moving forward in your life. Wow, and you have the Wheel of Fortune here, moving into this time of good luck and fortune. No kidding. Very, very exciting. The wheel is turning in your favor. This is Lady Luck pointing her finger at you. So congratulations. There is some turn of fate coming in here for you. So I love that for you, and all the difficulties that you've been dealing with will now be behind you. You got a 10 here, is coming to a close, and the Wheel of Fortune is a 10 as well. So really beautiful energy. God bless. See you in the next one.